Here's a little microbus from the German Democratic Republic. It's a Barkas. I don't remember the type name, B1000 maybe. Well, maybe I will find out in next week, because there will be the Nostalgie meeting in Sinsheim. Just take a look. I hope you can see it. And there will be lots of cars and other vehicles from the German Democratic Republic and Soviet Union and so on. Just some cars from the socialist part of Europe. And here you can see it, Barkas B1000. With another greeting to UK. Because here you can see, with the little frog eyes, so cute. This is the Austin Sprite. Very cute little car. Here, Mercedes-Benz E-Class Cabriolet. Something what you're usually getting to see from me, from the classics and coffee at the Mercedes-Benz Museum. And like I told you, I will be back again. No worries, but right now I'm just enjoying to also visit some other shows to see some more variety of cars. Here we have two X1/9. This one here has the badge of Datum, so this was one of the later productions, while this here has a badge from Fiat. Well repainted. This here was also a great seller in the United States of America. So now I have again the possibility to film this here. Just take a look at this ugly bug. Well, that's nature. We are very close to the forest. Just take a look at this here. Also a wonderful scenery. Maybe we are seeing Bigfoot. Well, maybe not. Bertone actually built these for Fiat. Oh, this is interesting. It's a right-hand drive. Never seen a right-hand drive of these, because for obvious reasons we are in Germany, we have left-hand drive. And well, we can take a look to the engine bay with K&N filters. These are also well known to be rust buckets, so great to see these survivors. This is looking more stock. Absolutely interesting. Also loving these Ronal wheels. Ronal Turbo. Beautiful. Once again the Fiat 500, the little Cinquecento, and behind it we have something which is looking much bigger, and it was the predecessor of the Volkswagen Golf Mark I, the Volkswagen Beetle. Probably, yeah, this one I can tell for sure is a 1302, because we have the plain windshield, and I'm seeing here the black banana air vent. If there's not the air vent, then it's in 1200 or something like that. Oh, loving this. Beautiful car. So this is the Beetle or Fusca in Brazil and Vocho in Mexico. Und hier Chevy Camaro RS. Absolutely amazing. And I'm glad that I'm close to my car because I need to drink something. Someone was spotting Ziggy. It's also a lovely color. Too much tuning for my taste. I like it more original, but also not always, as you can tell by my white war tires. Anyway, lovely color. Baby Benz W201. And I just forgot to film the rear end. Oh my goodness. Here it is. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Also these wheels. So some people may say the W124 doesn't rust, but of course it can also rust. Anyway, nice CE. It's a coupe. So let's see. 300 CE. Cool. Here, greeting to Peter because this is his NSU TT, so the owner of the Turner RS from last year. This time he was coming with this car. He was also racing with this car. Landing. Got here Mercedes-Benz Stroke 8. Noticing the double bumpers. This means this is either 250 or a 200. What was it? 280? 250. See, I was not lying to you because only the two top engines got these double bumpers, but only in the first series. I guess this one with this wonderful white steering wheel. So this here is from the US Marines, and the F100 has such an amazing sound. So, and I hope I didn't have to replace the audio because I was playing music, but maybe my voice was louder. We don't know. Military vehicle. Well, nowadays I don't like to see military vehicles anymore because it's always in the news. It's like we have the big war propaganda going on. So, and here wonderful a Deutz D 3005 air-cooled. Very interesting. So everyone who is also liking farming tractors maybe. This ice van, ice cream van, and here a Mercedes-Benz E-Class Cabriolet. E220. Very nice.